Hey, good evening, everyone. So, basically, in the evening time, mainly we look at metals like copper, silver, platinum, gold, and also we can look at crude oil, natural gas. So, first thing is identify what is the trend. So, to identify the trend, you can do two ways. One is we have something called as futures trend ranker. We can go to the tool and we can identify which ones are looking bullish, which are looking bearish. That is one way. So, for example, shows that ZW is very bullish, right? Which is number one. Then it is telling ZM is also very bullish. Copper is very bullish. ZC is very bullish. So it will give us the rankings. So we can, so out of this, we know generally copper will move well in the evening hours. Natural gas will move well in the evening hours. So these will generally move well in the morning hours. So we can see that copper, natural gas, crude oil, GC, they are bullish. So we need to mainly look for the, now you can remove this and mainly look for buy signals. So whenever you get a buy signal on copper or gold or crude oil or natural gas, we want to focus on the buy signals. So now you can enable all your other indicators like price pulse, P3 or pattern 2. And then whenever you get a buy signal on these symbols, right, mainly copper, silver, platinum, gold, ZW, crude oil, those are the main ones, right? Because futures trend ranker also already gave you that they are looking very good for bullish. So you will be on the right side of the trend. You will not take a sell and suddenly you take a sell, suddenly it will start going up. Those things will not happen if you watch like which stickers are good for bullish. So now we have to wait for alerts on any of those symbols. So I hope it is clear for everyone. So if you want, I'll explain one more time. So we have an indicator called futures trend ranker. When you switch on that indicator, that will tell us which, right? Because you have 30, 40 tickers, right? You can trade on all these different tickers, right? There are a lot more tickers, 6A1, 6B1, 6E1, currencies, euro. So we don't know which one to focus. So you can look at this one. It says ZW1, ZM1, HE1. If you want, you can also create a separate watch list for these. So here you see ZW, ZM, copper, corn, soybean, natural gas, crude oil. These are some of the most bullish. So that's why we'll whenever you get a buy signal on those stickers, that is where we'll focus. So natural gas, we got something, but here I think contract is changing. We got a sell signal on gold, but it is better we avoid the sell signal because we already saw that All the metals are bullish. Copper, silver, platinum, GC, they are bullish. So avoid the sell signals, wait for the buy signals. So you are staying with the trend. You are not going opposite of the trend. But here you got a sell, but here everything is looking bullish. Here it came all the way to the bottom. So this sell can be very, very risky. Sometimes it may make profit, sometimes suddenly it can bounce back. So better you avoid such type of tickers where there is no confluence. The trend is bullish. There are buyers. Here there are sellers. Volume is there, but because it is already all the way to the bottom, better we don't take. So if we get a buy signal, we can enter. I am entering a buy signal in gold. It is looking bullish. There are more and more buyers. Right? There are buyers here, and then your volume is becoming green. Right? As I said, overall gold is bullish today, and it came all the way to the discount zone, and then it started moving up. Right? You see the buyers here, buy button here, buy here, volume is green. So there is a high possibility for GC to make some nice profits. Because there are some sellers here, I'll just take some small profits. Order submitted. Right, I bought at 30.9. I am trying to book profits at 31.4, which is $50 per account. So if price goes to the 31.4, because there are some sellers here, so if it breaks this, then it can go all the way to the top. But these sellers are trying to push the price down. But again, there are some buyers here, buyers here. They may try to push the price up. So as of now, we took GC long. Profits on small profits on that. In case if it breaks this, we can go and enter one more time. Now, copper, silver, silver also I got a buy signal. Here also this is looking good. This is looking good. Here I have buyers, but only volume is looking a little negative. Within few minutes we made nearly. Right, that on 10 accounts, if I make 70, $80, that is 700, $800 within few minutes. Now let's look for the next opportunity. If it breaks the CMA 200, then it will go all the way till the top. So just waiting for it to break this level. Right, it was in a consolidation all this time, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Suddenly buyers took the control. You can see buyers taking the control here. Buyers volume is 1, 5, 15, 1 hour. Everything is green. Suddenly buyers started taking. So now I'll go and buy. I took too long on EVs. Right, again, because there are some sellers here. So I made $100. I took the profit. So again, right, do you see the right confluence? This is number one confluence. This is number two confluence. This is number three. This is we got a T3 buy. We got a price pulse buy. You can see a lot of buyers here. And it was in a consolidation, right? That means there was everybody was fighting. Suddenly buyers started going up. So now because there are some sellers here, we book the profits. If there is nothing here, then we'd have waited all the way until here. So I took GC long one more time. Right? Again, we got a T3 buy. Yeah, volume is good. Here, this is good. This is good. So in the evening time, we will use 1 minute time frame. In the morning time, we use 5 minutes time frame. The logic is same. We use the same confluence. Only thing is because volume will be so high, if you use 1 minute, there'll be too many signals in the morning time. It will be difficult for you to take so many trades. Right, again, your price pulse is blue. You have a lot of buyers here. Your T5 is green. This is blue. This is right. This is creating a magic pattern. We know that gold is already bullish. So if we wait for some time, again we'll make another $100 here. I bought at 32.3. So if I sell at 33, that is nearly $70. It's all about practice. Once you practice, then immediately by looking at the chart, you can see that, oh, this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. So here there is a EMA 200, so it may act as a resistance. So I am trying to book my profits there when it touches that line. If it breaks it, we can enter one more time, and then there is nothing in between. We can make much bigger profits. I took some just some 30 $40 because it is just becoming overall it is very bullish. Tonight it will make a nice move, but because it is just getting choppy here, right, you can see that it is going one red candle, one green, one red, one green. So it is acting choppy. So just I took some small profits and came out. Again, if it breaks this, then it can go all the way till this point. Right? You can see that in 1 hour, it is looking bullish. It came all the way to the bottom. In 5 minutes also, it came to the bottom, started going up, looking bullish. But for prop firms, we generally take small profits and come out. So again, if it breaks the line, I will enter one more trade. If you have NKD, NKD is also looking bullish. Your T3 is look good. Price pulse is looking good. I'm trying to I put a limit order on NKD at 37,820. I took a long position on NKD. So it came all the way to the bottom in 5 minutes. It is looking bullish in 5 minutes. It is looking bullish in 1 minute. So it can go another. Even if we make $100, you copy into 10 accounts, that is $1,000 profit. We bought at 820. If we sell it 835, that is $75 profit. That is another $75. It again same thing. Your price pulse is blue, your T5 is green, your volume is looking good, and your 5 minutes is looking good, your 1 hour is looking good. So that's it. If we just follow the confines, so now within I'm trying to do one more buy because it seems like it can go to 860. We took a long on NKD again. So I bought 18840, 18845. The number of buyers are increasing for NKD. You got a buy in 5 minutes also, and there is nothing in between. So if it starts going, it can go all the way. NKD is like NQ of NQ for Japan. I bought it 845. If I sell it 860, that is $75 for each contract. So that is another $150. Right? 75, 75. Give me 200. Again, there might be a small pullback, and again it will go up. But yeah, that's it, everyone. So if we take time to practice, you have unlimited potential every day, right? In the evening time when there is not too much of volume, just look for the confluence. Here it is green, here it is blue, here it is green, right? Here it is green. I got a buy, I got a blue, I got a green. Then I see buyers here. My T5 is green, my price pulse is blue. That's it. Right? All about waiting for a confluence. Whenever you get a buy signal, just put a vertical line. Right? You got a buy signal. Here you have buyers in control. Here you have buyers in control. That's it. Yeah. Anyone have any questions? Again, tomorrow morning we can make a lot more. But if anyone has any questions, please post in the chat window. Vinay, you have to practice first. You should not just look at one signal. You should look at T5, T55, and price pulse. Only when everything is good, you have to take those. Table on the right side of the chart comes with T3 indicator. That is the volume indicator. If you have any issues, join the setup session. Every day we are spending 2.5 hours helping all the members. So yeah, please join in the setup session. And every day I'm making right 90-95% trades successfully. So if you practice, you will also do the same thing. Right? Whether morning time, evening time, you can watch everyday recordings. You don't need to trade every day. You can, right? So there is no restriction that every day you have to do the trading. This account Magito, what is? Did you subscribe to the indicators? I don't think you subscribed. So if you have three indicator plan, you can request any three indicators. If you have five, you can request any five. So I see that many members already have more than three and requesting for more. TI2 and T5 both are same. We should use 1 minute during off market and 5 minutes during market hours. Yeah, Ram, so I'll check that one. We'll check the refund thing. So what PST timings do you suggest trading futures? Generally 7 Central to 9 p.m. Central is good, which is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. PST. In the morning time, 9 a.m. to 11 CST, which is 7 to 9 PST. Yeah, if it says minimum trade 5 trading days, that means you cannot make profit in one day. You cannot make all the profit one day. You have to, for example, if you make 1,000 or if you make all 3,000 in one day in evaluation, you make $5, $5, $5 for next 4 days like that. There is no mandatory to trade every day in any of the prop firms. You can trade weekly 2 times, 3 times like that. So I already shared about consistency rule. 30% consistency means you cannot make more than 30% on one day. You cannot make 9,000 in right, especially in the PA accounts. In the evaluation, generally there is no consistency. Except in take profit trader, they allow you up to 50%. But most of the prop firms, they don't have any restrictions in the evaluation phase. 30% means if you have to make 3,000, you cannot make more than $900, right? If there is a 30% consistency rule, you can make maximum $900 on one trading day. If it is 50% consistency rule, you can make $1,500. If the target is 3,000, you have to make 1,500. So only at your renewal, monthly renewal, you can request for the changes. End of the day is better compared to the intraday. Yeah, once you take the indicators, you will attend all the training sessions. You will learn them. How to manage trading? Again, all you need is 1 hour, right? Every day evening, if you make $400-500, copy into 10 accounts. That is $4,000-5,000. You don't need to trade throughout the day. Generally, this is the best time where you can trade. No, Harsha, we don't have any, right? We are making 80-90% success with earnings with. So we may increase the fees also, right? Generally, a lot of other firms charge $2,000-3,000 per month when they do the live sessions, all these things. So what we have is very, very minimal now. Yes, Sarvanan, if you made $1,700, then you have to make another $200-300 extra for your target. I already did training over the weekend on how to use indicators for earnings. Ashrit, you can watch that video. Yeah, good night, everyone. It's 9 p.m. So Pawan, to request the payouts. So if you have, right, for example, on 50,000, there is a trial balance of 2,000. That means once you make anything more than 2,000, you can request the payouts. If you make 2,500, you can request $500. Again, you come and take some trades, make another $500, go and request another payout. If you want to close the account, you can request the entire payout. The 2,000 also you can request. But if you want to continue on that account, then you take 2,000. Yeah, you keep 2,000 as a buffer there, and then whatever you make about 2,000, you can keep on requesting multiple times also a day, every day. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.